And getting started talking about bootstrap resampling. This concept, if you've never heard about it, it's really about creating an independent version of your data set, a sample of your data set, to help simulate the randomness that happens as we collect the original sample. Okay, so the very important concept is that we're going to do bootstrap resampling with replacement. Now the idea is we're going to take we're going to take a ball out, like we have our child here picking balls out of the bag. He's going to take one out of the numbers 12, 18, 25, 30, 14. He's going to take one out, write down the number, and then put it back. And out of the bag again, he's going to draw another one, and write down the number, put it back. So you can see here 25, 12, 14, but then 25 again. Now the concept here is that he will be able to redraw the same row or the same ball again. Now it seems like a minor thing. It seems kind of silly too when you first hear about why would we want the same data twice. But what this does is it creates statistical independence. And what that means is because every ball that he takes is not dependent on what was already taken, that created the replicate that he creates is essentially independent of the original data set. Okay, and it works really well in simulating the randomness that would happen by the sampling process. So we can get a range of, instead of thinking of an average as a sample, as this number, our average could be more of a range of data. Okay, so within these parameters.